Now you can stop dieting, stop starving yourself, and start eating all the foods you love. And lose fat faster than you ever thought possible with the Food Lovers Fat Loss System. 21 days that will change your body and your life. This simple step-by-step plan shows you how to use all of your favorite foods, all the same foods you're eating now, to cause your body to lose pounds, shed inches, and literally turn your body into an efficient fat-burning machine, all in just 21 days.
You really can learn to eat the same food you're eating now in a way that allows you to lose weight instead of gain it.
This program is an excellent way to lose weight and keep it off for a lifetime.
The heart of the program is the 21-day metabolism makeover. Each day, you just do one new thing, like learn the difference between fast carbs and slow carbs, and begin to tweak your meals into the simple scientific proportions of the fat loss plate that will lower the blood sugar spikes and move your body into the fat-burning mode. Then you'll start snacking in between meals to keep your body out of starvation mode and in fat-burning mode all day long. And literally turn your body into an efficient fat-burning machine all in just 21 days. And then you can stop dieting forever.
I don't have to deprive myself of anything. I can have wine, I can have chocolate, I can have pasta, I can have bread. I can eat all my favorite foods and lose weight. I've done it.
All of the things that helped me to get so big are now helping me to lose weight. I tell everybody it's the best diet I've never been on.
I get to enjoy all my favorite foods still, and I've lost 48 pounds.
I thought starving was the way to go, and it turns out it's not. It's eating. I did lose 60 pounds by eating all my favorite foods.
I'm eating the same foods as I ate when I was heavy. I'm just doing it in a way that allows my body to drop fat.
With the Food Lovers Fat Loss System, I have lost 40 pounds and 40 inches.
I lost 48 pounds.
I lost 75 pounds.
I've lost 90 pounds.
I've lost 94 pounds.
I lost 144 pounds in 1 year.
On Food Lovers Fat Loss System, I've lost 200 pounds.
This program is absolutely the best thing you can do, and I'm sure it's a lot cheaper than everything else you've ever done.